Finally, I am so excited to finally be able to show you these motor mounts. They're 3013-24 is the UPR part number. And what these do is they allow you to mount a small block Chevy into a 79 to 04 Mustang using the pushrod K-member. So in the UPR case, that's 2005-79 K-member. It's the K-member that's designed for pushrod motors. These mounts will bolt into that K-member, and then on this end, and then on this end that goes right to the small block Chevy engine block. So they come with all the hardware that you need. You got the locking washers, you got the nylock nuts for the actual K-member bolts here, and the mounts are made out of 1/4 inch thick steel, so they're definitely robust. They'll handle a lot of power. And yeah, I know a lot of our customers are going to be grumpy to hear about people putting small block Chevys and Mustangs, but the fact is there are a lot of racers out there running small block Chevys. It seems like, especially the grudge racers, a lot of nitro small block Chevys and 79 to 04 Mustangs. At any rate, these will allow you to mount that motor directly into our K-member or a stock style V8 pushrod K-member 79 to 04 Mustang. So check it out. These are at uprproducts.com or available at any UPR Products dealer.